Hello, I'm Matthew, and today we're going to review this enormous Mould King crane kit. Now, we've had a tremendous amount of fun putting this one together. It's not our first Mould King crane kit. This was our first one, which was around 2,500 parts, and was a big job. It was great fun. But this one is around 4,000 parts. It took us around 10 hours to put together. We'll show you how it works and some of its features, and then we'll bring our guinea pigs in and we'll have a play with them, see what they think.
And now to the build. So the instructions were pretty clear, actually, just the one occasion of confusing a dark grey part with a black part. Each section is well laid out. The parts are grouped into bags. You build all of bag 1 first as several bag 1s, etc. before opening bag 2. It's quite well organised. The only thing I will say is that the final assembly could have been clearer, particularly when it comes to the pieces of string that actuate the inner boom portions, not helped by the inner boom portions being black and the string being black. This kit comes with both the ABS axles and also some upgraded carbon fibre axles, and they're much better, they're much stiffer, but they're also quite a tight fit on some of the 45-degree gears, and so we used just a knife and a small Swiss file just to clean up some of the burrs and make that a little easier to assemble. That worked quite well then. The connections between the outriggers and the base section, they're quite fiddly to do. We did get there in the end, but they are quite fiddly. Once the battery boxes are installed, they are actually quite easy to access, both for charging and for switching on and such. So that's very well designed, unlike the previous crane that we did. This was around £180 from AliExpress. I don't think it's bad value. It's quite good for the number of parts you get. There were no missing parts and a few spares.
Now, it's powered by 2 of these USB charged battery boxes that are 2.4 GHz control. It comes with, it's supposed to come with one of these. Mine actually came with a spare for some reason. I don't know. So you put some dry cell batteries in the controller then, and then this controls the crane. So down here is one battery box, and there's one in the top. Now you can only control one at a time. So first of all, we have the motion forwards and backwards of the crane, and it's heavily geared, as you can see. It's nice and slow, quite a lot of torque, and then we can put the outriggers out like this. And each of the outriggers is motorised, so there's enough power and torque to lift the crane off the table. Just turn this one off. And then we can turn on the other battery box then, and we can control the upper functions of the crane. So we have the left and right turning of the gantry like this, and then we have the up and down lifting of the boom. I believe the full-size crane, built by Liebherr in Germany, has been designed for putting up wind turbines, so it's enormous in real life. And then there's the telescoping in and out of the jib, and of course the winch. You can see this does indeed extend quite a long way, and that there's quite a lot of lifting power. One of the things I will say is that the string's quite heavy and stretchy, so I'll probably be replacing that with some better string of my own. And now some floor time for our guinea pigs. love a sweet gem lettuce.